Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how adding a secondary PTZOptics camera can transform your production. Let's discover the benefits.
Welcome to our PTZOptics tutorial. Today, we're showcasing how a secondary PTZOptics camera can transform your production. Let's discover the benefits. Why integrate a secondary PTZOptics camera with your primary setup? This strategy dramatically improves coverage in diverse production environments and reduces disruptive camera movements. Consider this adaptable production space. Our primary PTZOptics camera is strategically positioned here. Our PTZOptics cameras can be preset to cover different areas of the room, ensuring everyone is visible. With only one camera, the constant panning and tilting can be distracting, especially for remote participants. A wider angle helps, but might not effectively capture close-up expressions and interactions. This is where our secondary PTZOptics camera becomes invaluable. The result of two PTZ cameras helps transition smoothly, ensuring a seamless view for remote participants. For them, it's a smooth and engaging experience without any jarring camera movements. The result? A more dynamic, professional, and all-encompassing environment thanks to the dual PTZOptics camera setup.
Thank you so much for tuning into this video. We hope that you found it inspiring to improve your video production. If you want more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or visit our website, PTZOptics.com. We'll see you next time.